Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Libra 8 sign, your person current feelings and actions in the month of October. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, Libra. Knight of Swords, Nine of Cups, Ace of Swords, Ten of Wands. Your person want to communicate you and they want to come towards you. Definitely they are rushing towards you, and they think they want to approach you. Nine of Cups, definitely you are their wish fulfillment. They want to express their feelings, they want to tell something to you, truth coming out, communication, and they want new beginning with you. Definitely they are feeling some burden, definitely overburden due to any reason. So their feelings is to come towards you. You are their wish fulfillment. They want to meet you because Knight of Swords here. So let's see the near future actions towards you. You are their wish fulfillment. Two of Pentacles. The near future actions towards you, Libra. Three of Pentacles. King of Swords. Death. Yeah, your person undergoing some transformation. They are getting clarity about the connection and you. Definitely they are some juggling because Ten of Wands and Two of Pentacles. Definitely they are feeling very burdened and something they are in confusion. But that confusion will be gone because the Death Scorpio is here. After the transformation, they will get clarity. They want to communicate you and they want to give clarity to you. Also, because Three of Pentacles, they want to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you. Definitely some communication you will receive from your person and they want to approach you and they want to meet you. So let's see some more cards from the universe regarding the connection, Libra. Okay, one card, the Devil. You or your person could be Capricorn. The Lovers. Knight of Wands. Okay, Two of Cups. You both love each other. Definitely there is a lot of love between both of you. The Lovers and Two of Cups is here. This is regarding connection cards, but there is also some negative also here because there is obsession between both of you. You both are obsessed with each other, or one person is addicted to some bad habits because the Devil is an obsession card also. And Knight of Wands. Yeah, there is a lot of passion between both of you. There is love and there is obsession also. That is the disturbance in this connection because obsession creates deception also sometimes, even though there is love between both of you. So definitely your person want to give clarity and they will get clarity after the transformation. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. All signs are here, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So under the deck, Six of Wands, definitely your person wants success with you. You both have strong love for each other. Two of Cups with Lovers. So this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you, Libra. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.